Hello and welcome to a brief tutorial on how to sign up for SIH MyChart. Using a desktop, laptop, tablet, or personal device, navigate the internet to go to MyChart by using either Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or if you're on an Apple, Mac, or iOS device, Safari works great also. Any one of these four internet browsers will gain you access to MyChart. Do not use Internet Explorer because, well, it just won't work. Let's get rid of that. What I'd like for you to do is open any one of these browsers. Let's just open Firefox, for instance. You'll want to go to the SIH homepage, and that's sih.net. You can type it in if you haven't already been there. And pro tip is to bookmark any of these pages that we're going to so that you'll have easy one-click access in the future. Now, while you're on the SIH homepage, it doesn't matter which page you navigate to, there'll always be this white bar at the top with a few choices. Right along the top little strip of choices in the middle, you have MyChart. Make sure you just click on MyChart. That'll take you to the MyChart login page. On this login page, you have the ability, if you're already a MyChart user, you can simply put in your username, password, and sign in. Or if you're here to sign up, you just click sign up now. Let me also show you one thing. If you scroll to the bottom, there are direct links to the Apple App Store and the Android Google Play Store. If you have a personal device or a tablet that allows for you to download an app, go down here and download the app. It'll be the best way that you can get into MyChart, but you can always go through the internet just like we're doing here. So you're ready to sign up, you click sign up now. If you've received an activation code from your provider, here's where you enter your activation code, the last four digits of your social security number, and your date of birth. That's all you need. That'll be the information that we need to verify who you are and that you can sign up for MyChart. If you don't have the activation code, well, you can go over and sign up online without an activation code. Here you have to enter quite a bit more information. You'll also be directed to a third-party identification verification system where it will make sure you are who you are. Now, if you'd like to receive that activation code so it'll be a little easier, just call the SIH portal liaison at the number listed here on this page, and they can provide you with an activation code, or maybe even easier, send you an email link to sign up. One more thing I want to point out. Let's say you have a question, you're just not sure about something. We have a list of frequently asked questions, and it doesn't matter which one of these login pages you're on. Go to the very bottom, and down at the bottom, there's a little list of things, and one of those is FAQs. Click on FAQs, and this will bring up the frequently asked questions page. Here's a great place. Look through the questions, see if the one you have to ask is there, and click on it, and it'll tell you what the answer is. Or if you want to simply talk to someone or send an email question, you can email MyChart at sih.mychart.net, or you can call the liaison at the MyChart patient support line. Thank you for listening, and please sign up for MyChart. You'll really enjoy the features it allows you to take advantage of and take control of your own health.